The Form Definition Studio is a graphic user interface that lets you build form definitions. Form definitions encompasses all the rules you create that a software uses to identify a document as a particular type, perform image pre-processing, locate specific data you need, and output the data into a particular form and location. Image Library allows you to collect all the images and prepare them for recognition, including image rotation, resolution, among other properties. Once the image library has been created, you can now move on to form definitions. Form Definition Studio includes 5 steps in defining form processing parameters. The first step, registration, detects the type of document you want to process. This can be either an entire test deck or a single image, once you have defined the document and layout. The form definition may have several documents, and each may support several pages. For each, you can define several templates or variations of the same form. Form Definition Studio identifies the type of document and modifies the image to match it. You can shift the image so it matches the template as closely as possible. This improves your extraction rate and delivers a high-quality recognition with fewer errors. The second step involves setting the fields you want to extract from the form. For HCFA, UB04, and invoices, FormXtra provides built-in support. This way, you can create all fields and layout with just one click. The third step, you tune the recognition parameters. Start by testing the recognition and then set the right recognition parameters. To test each field one at a time, change the parameters of the field cleanup, processing, and recognition parameters so you get the read rate and error rate you want. You can adjust the thresholds so the recognition parameters deliver the level of accuracy you want. Set the threshold to hit 1%, 2%, or even 0.5% error rate, depending upon your business requirements. The fourth step lets you customize and extend our workflow using scripting languages. Users notice significant improvements over previous modern C# and VB.NET languages. Customization gives you several entry points into our API. These include before and after field recognition, after the whole page is recognized, and before the document is released into the external data source. You can also customize the results any way you would like. The last step involves the setup of the release parameters. We support text, XML, database, and SharePoint. Decide what data you want and how you want it passed back to your application. Form Definition Studio supports 6 different release targets. It has a simple, intuitive interface to create a column-based layout. You can test all functionality and take advantage of your own release modules instead of ours.